Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at the Xiaomi Mi Essential Electric scooter. This model is new for 2020 from the makers of the best-selling electric scooter, the M365. This scooter offers amazing performance with its upgrades from earlier Xiaomi models, while also having a focus on increasing safety features such as braking, lighting and speed limits, and features only the essentials required for performance and convenience. The cruise control system helps to maintain a steady speed set by the driver to relieve you from constant pressure and tension. The scooter has high quality batteries with a capacity of 5,100 mAh and 183 watt-hours that guarantee a riding distance of up to 20 kilometers. And the 250 watt brushless DC monitor powers the scooter to ride with ease and comfort. Though Xiaomi Essential offers a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour, on sports mode, you can choose an alternative speed mode that suits you. You could choose from pedestrian mode with top speeds of 5 km per hour or standard mode with up to 15 km per hour. The 8.5-inch air-filled pneumatic tyres effectively absorb shocks and prevent slipping. What's more, in this 2020 model, the durability of these tyres has also been improved. So not only do these tyres make for a smooth ride on flat roads, they're also comfortable to ride on non-paved surfaces such as gravel, dirt roads and grass. The Xiaomi Essential features the kinetic energy recovery system seen in other Xiaomi models, and the recovery system in the Essential has been fully upgraded from previous models. When braking or releasing the throttle while driving, the energy conversion is now more efficient, further increasing battery life, so you can feel more relaxed when taking it on longer journeys. The dual braking system is outfitted with regenerative and disc braking on the rear wheel and an eABS system at the front wheel. Furthermore, this scooter achieves a braking distance of just 7.35 metres. By activating both brakes at the same time, this shortens the braking distance and makes driving even safer. The Xiaomi Mi Essential features a sleek, portable and safe design with gorgeous aircraft-grade aluminium alloy for the main body. The Xiaomi Essential also features upgraded headlights with high brightness and an irradiation distance of 10 metres. In addition to this, there is an upgraded, larger tail light to keep you safe when driving at night. It also has front, side and rear reflectors to further enhance your night visibility and keep you extra safe while driving at night. Taking a closer look at the design details on the handlebars, we can see that there's just one button to turn the scooter on and off, switch speed modes and turn on the headlights. This minimalist design increases ease of usability and makes riding the scooter a simple and fun experience. The comfortable foam grip on the handles gives you increased comfort and improved control experience, while the sensitive hand throttle gives you great throttle control, moderate resistance and linear acceleration. A great feature on this scooter is the multifunctional dashboard with an LED screen that shows an accurate display of speed as well as various ride stats and battery. In addition to using the multifunctional dashboard, you can check your riding speed and remaining power in real time after pairing your scooter through Bluetooth to the Mi Home app on your phone, which is compatible with Android 4.3 or iOS 9 and above. With the fast folding system, the Xiaomi Mi Essential Electric scooter takes only 3 seconds to fold and go, which is perfect if you require additional transport on your morning commute. The lightest scooter yet from Xiaomi weighs just 12 kilos, making this model so easy to carry if needed. With a folded height of just 49 centimeters, it's also compact, making it perfect for storing away easily at home or in the office. If you need to charge it while you're working, you can take advantage of the charging time of just 3.5 hours, having it charged up and ready to go before you're ready to head home. We would love to hear what you think of the Xiaomi Mi Essential. Make sure to let us know below. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and we would be happy to answer. Thanks for joining us for our review of the new Xiaomi Mi Essential Electric scooter. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to keep up to date with the latest reviews, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.